Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust guitar action. Achieving optimal string height is crucial for comfortable playing and good tone. We'll cover the three main areas: the truss rod, the bridge saddle, and the nut. Each component plays a vital role in setting up your guitar for the best possible feel and sound. Let's dive into the first step. First, check your neck relief by holding down the low E string at the first and last frets. Look for a small gap, about the thickness of a business card at the 8th fret. If it's too large or too small, make small, 1/8 to 1/4 turn adjustments to the truss rod. Always allow the neck to settle before rechecking. Next, adjust the saddle height. For electric guitars, you'll typically use a small hex wrench to raise or lower individual saddles. On acoustic guitars, you might sand down or shim the saddle. Make small adjustments, checking the action at the 12th fret. Aim for a comfortable height without buzzing across the fretboard. Finally, consider the nut slot depth. This impacts the action at the first few frets. If the strings are too high here, it can make chords difficult. If they are too low, you might get open string buzzing. Adjusting nut slots often requires specialized files and precision, so this step is frequently best left to a professional guitar technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.